and
Olanna, you have agreed.
Yes.
With the condition that you will move in with me and the prince after we get married in the palace. So I will keep an eye on you and discuss.
I will. Please, don't kill the child. Please.
How I wish. This knife is directed straight into his heart. Yes.
Please don't.
I would have pierced it.
Please don't. I have given you my words.
But you are lucky. You are lucky.
I promise.
This oath is sealed and buried. Any day you decide to dig and unseal it, the claws of death will pierce through your life and you will die a painful death.
Yes, I accept. I will do anything for you. Hey, sister. You're sleeping. Hey, baby. Where did you keep my baby?
Heartless sister. How long can this your evil last? How long can this your secret last?
Sister, where is baby? He's not in his room.
Is that why you're looking this tensed?
Yes, now.
Where is little Afamefuna? I don't understand.
Sister, I should be asking you now. Eh? There was no salt in the house. I decided to go to Mama Ngo's this place, just this place, to buy salt. My baby was lying down here. So how did you now come to this place and my baby is no longer here?
Are you trying to say that you left little Afamefuna all by himself here?
No. You were around. No. So how did you know he was here?
This is where you mostly lay him anytime he falls asleep. And you said that the entrance gate is wide open. Hey, maybe they've kidnapped him.
God forbid. Nobody will kidnap my child. Sister, if you're playing with me, stop it. I like your kwamia. I don't know who left the gate widely open, no. But that one is none of my business. I just want to see my son.
I'm telling you, I just came back.
Afan! Where is my baby? Hey, this should better be a joke, oh. Sister.
How can you leave little Afamefuna without telling me to look after him? I don't understand. You should have informed me. I came back, I didn't see anybody here.
You did not see him anywhere in the house?
Him? Seriously? And he said the gate is wide open. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe they've kidnapped him.
God forbid that thing. Nobody will kidnap my son. Nothing will happen to my son. I will go out and come back to this house with my son. Where is my son?
Where do you think you are going?
Where is my son? Your child.
My child!
No, he's not.
Please, wait, please.
My baby!
She's going with my child.
That baby, the mad woman's car, is this your child?
Yes.
And you think you will just collect your baby just like that? No. Eh? I know this woman, mad woman. She used to come to my shop to ask me for food, and I always chase her away. Eh? See, I don't. Okay. I think I bought bread for my children. See what you will do. Take this bread. Hey. Use it so that you can collect your child back from her. Use strategic style, okay, so that you collect the baby.
I will, madam. We have to go now.
Come, madam, I wish you luck. Oh, you hear? My
I told you not to go after him, but you wouldn't listen to me. I do not need a prophet to tell me that he is dead. And you are grieving. You know, mourning requires loss of energy. So I have decided to make your favorite meal so you can eat and have energy to mourn.
He's not dead. He's not dying anytime soon. He will live, grow up, and make mommy proud.
Coming with the food.
Yes. I'll find you, baby. I'll find you, my son.
Hey, so enjoy your meal. Eh?
I would have loved to feed my son, but he's not here. Afamefuna, I know you will come back home someday. Yes, don't miss me too much. Can't. What am I celebrating? My son is not here. I can't eat. What am I celebrating? But I know he'll be back someday. Yes.
Are you okay? It's as if you're beginning to lose your sanity. You're beginning to go gaga. Are you going mad? I need to know before it gets more serious. Eh? I don't want to bite me. I will not come and join you to become mad. No, just tell me. Are you still normal? Are you still alright?
I'll find my son. I don't know when. But certainly. Afamefuna, I know you're missing me. I know you wish you're here. The only difference is that you're not here. But you will not die. No man will kill you. You are a destined child. My son.
Come on, relax. Come on. Why you? Come on. And then come on. Who is this guy to you?
She's my daughter, my child. Yes.
But obviously, this is a baby boy. Where is the mother of this child?
The mother. She's in the grave. She's dead. She's in the grave. Yes.
Look at the way you guys are acting so suspicious. See, let it not be you steal this child, because if you steal this child, I will blow your head.
How can I steal my own child? Look the face now. We resemble now. See, I go steal my own.
If you are sure what I'm saying, then you may go.
Thank you.
Come on, go.
Where are you going with my child? Hold on.
Listen, stop here. Woman, what is this? Who is the child? Stop here! Move! I said shut up! Move! I'll shoot you! Move it! So this is how you must go! Hey!
What a beautiful setting.
No. Mommy missed you.
Impossible. Olana, how did you manage to untie yourself from the rope I used to tie you? And to break free from the door, I personally locked and threw away the keys.
I should be the one asking you. Why would you be so heartless to your own sister? Why would you lock me up in a room for days without food or water? Why would you do that? Do you want to kill me?
Were you expecting me to stay in the same house with an insane person? What I want to know is, where did you find Afamifuna?
I know you don't care. Because if you truly do, you would have been excited when you saw us walking in. I will tell you. I saw him with a mad woman. What I don't understand is a mad woman came to this house, and of all the things to steal, she stole Afamifuna under your watch. Okay?
How do you now manage to make the mad woman give Afamifuna back to you? Because I know she can't just hand him over just like that.
Zirachi, please, I don't have time for all these questions and answer. The most important thing is that we are here. All I need to do now is take my adorable, handsome son inside and bath him with hot water and make sure I give him antibiotics to flush out the concussion the mad woman gave him. Yes, but before I leave, don't forget, sisters, blood rather is like a broken mirror. Once it's broken, it can never be the same again. I am your sister. I do everything for you, but you can do nothing for me. You are never there for me. What is it? I guess this is my problem. Yes, the love I have for you as a sister is my problem, but I will never regret it. And if opportunity is being given to me, I will always do it for you because I love you as a sister. The only problem here is that you don't appreciate or reciprocate the love. Excuse me. Here I am, drinking to my victory, oblivious of the fact that the cause still bleeds. There's no doubt this little wizard was sent straight from hell, and the devil always have a way of helping him. But not to worry. When next I strike,
Even the Lucifer won't see me coming. Olana.
Sister.
You cannot welcome my husband to be the prince, dressed in rags. A futile sight cannot be the first thing he sees. Please, get out.
No problem. Omasu.
Oh, hello. My prince, my own prince, the man that lightens my kingdom.
Just look at how beautiful you look.
You are highly welcome.
You look gorgeous.
Of course.
Explicitly beautiful.
Oh, welcome.
Wow. Wonderful.
My dear, do you expect the future queen of Ndako Kingdom to dress in anything lesser than this? Hmm?
Isn't this beautiful?
Of course it is. Oh, please, have your seat.
Thank you. How is your sister? What's her name? Lutana and Afinifu.
Olana, you mean? Olana! Olana! Sister! Come.
Hello, Olana.
Greetings, Prince.
Greetings, how are you? What about your son Afamifu now?
He's fine, he's sleeping.
Oh, I see. My little friend.
Olana, will you be kind enough to go to the kitchen and prepare my prince's favorites, vegetable soup and pounded yam? Oh, please be fast about that.
Okay, I will. My prince, nice to see you.
Same here, Olana. I always forget her name. Olana. Aren't you supposed to be assisting her in the kitchen?
Come on, my prince. You don't expect me to go into the kitchen with this beautiful dress you got for me. It's gonna get ruined.
Anyway, you're right. Forgive me. I actually forgot you looking this way and you would want to go to the kitchen with her.
Of course. So, but not to worry. Can I get you juice? I can actually do that one, you know.
No, it's okay. But meanwhile, the royal house sends their regards. I mean, the king and the Lolo sends their regards across to you.
Yeah, serious. Yeah. Well, I can't wait to pay them a visit, you know. Oh, please, do not tell them I wanted to be a surprise.
Well, if I go ahead and tell them that you're coming, it's no longer a surprise.
Of course. So don't worry, she'll be back soon. Olana, please hurry up. Come on, who told you I was about to negotiate? For your information, I'm dating the Prince of Ndako Kingdom, so money is not my problem and will never be.
Sister.
Oh, my darling, hold on, I'll call you right back. Just give me a minute.
Sister, please. The remaining money I had with me, I've already used it to buy drugs for baby. I also bought antibiotics and you know, things are very expensive now. I want you to help me with some money. Please, I need to buy baby's food.
I don't have money. The prince is here to give me my allowance, so there's no money.
Sister, Bikun now, Bikun, I just need, you mean you don't have even 1,000 naira to give me so I can buy pap and milk for baby? Because
pap and milk for what? Like I said, I don't have money. Even the card I'm using to make this call, I borrowed it from MTN. I'm actually owing them 50,000 naira already. Besides, this is not the same food you will buy and he will end up throwing it all over the floor. Maybe the little man wants to fast. Yes, allow him to fast very well. And you're busy interrupting his prayer point from God. It makes no sense. Just let him fast, dry fasting for a couple of days. Maybe his prayer will be answered. So stop trying to interrupt his prayer point, okay?
Sister, what had me he's just a baby. Bikun. Okay, should I go and take from your bag?
Are you mad or something? Get out from my presence. Don't blame you. Oh, hello, my darling. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, you said that the golden and the black one, yeah? Okay, two of them. How much is it? 500,000. No problem at all. Just send me your account number. I will forward the money to you at once. Honestly, you know I love good things. Of course, I'll order more later. Alright, my darling. What do you want to buy?
Customer, we quarreling. You're not answering my greetings. Did
you come here to greet me or to buy something? Eh? Or some good morning, ma? Did you come to my shop to buy something or to do what? Because if your reason of coming here is to buy another thing on credit, I can't sell it to you.
Customer, pick one.
You better go. I can't sell it to you.
Customer, please. My baby is starving. He hasn't eaten since morning. Just help me with milk. I promise you I will pay you. Oh, before evening.
Oh,
I will pay.
Thank God he said it's your child and not mine. The last time you came to my shop and buy items, I sold it out of compassion to you. You've returned again. Emily Guillemette? Huh? What?
Madam, please.
Leave my shop.
Do you want my child to starve to death? Beacon.
Your child? Madam, leave my shop.
Hey.
Madam, I said leave my shop.
Please, I know you are angry, man. I will go and Biko. Oh.
My milk. My milk. That's it. No, I did not steal. She stole my milk. No, don't enter.
Madam, what's happened?
You can see she stole my milk. I'll be giving her items here for free. For credit.
She gave permission to collect the milk for her.
See, let me explain to you. So it is true. I told her that I don't have money, but she did not give me permission. I just say I can't wear it. I met her, I will pay later.
Right, so it is true. Madam, so now you go collect phone, money, and valuable thing for night, and you can't pick it to the cover up, Abi.
Let me tell you now, tell the truth, or we go you to there. Tell the truth now.
I'm saying the truth, there's no magazine.
So who that give it to you? She's not a thief, I know her. She's not a thief. It's
her. My love, how are you? Okay, baby. When are you finishing that new apartment? When are you finishing with the furniture? You know, I need to move in. The future queen of Ndaka Kingdom deserves all the luxury she can get. You know, I'm not. They didn't born me to suffer. Hey, baby. What about that other that glittering
Much. Why do you have to barge into this parlor like that?
I'm sorry I couldn't hold it, but there's fire on the mountain.
What happened? Is that why you have to barge in like that? Are you mad?
I'm sorry I couldn't hold it. There's fire on the mountain.
What happened? Talk!
Your sister and her son, they're about to be set ablaze as we speak.
And so? Eh? Is that why you're panting like this? Disturbing my peace? You nearly pulled down my door. What did they do?
She was accused of stealing milk from a shop owner.
She was accused? Or she actually stole the milk?
Yes, she stole it, but she did that just to feed her family for now. But that's not necessary. You need to come and save your sister.
Don't you dare touch me.
You need to come and save her before they'll burn them down to the ashes, before we get there.
Do I look like a woman activist to you? Or do I look like a police officer?
But she's your sister and her family Funa is your nephew. Could we just sit down here and watch them die for nothing?
Get out.
It's not good.
Get out. Stop playing with you. You get out.
She looks nice and colorful.
This beautiful evil.
What's deep inside of her?
Okay.
Full of evil.
Where will that people wake up from here?
Jesus, please, don't do this to my baby, please. Don't do this to me. I'm not baby. My son, I'm not
You go kill her today. She's a thief.
Yes, she's a thief.
You will burn her today. Under fuel.
Jesus,
Under fuel.
My thief.
You must give her today.
Jesus, please.
Please don't kill her. She's not a thief. She's I don't have anyone. You don't know anybody. You don't know her. You don't know her. Thank you. She took my milk. You can see it. No, I did not steal it. She stole my milk. Don't enter. Yes, she stole my milk.
Sister, good evening. We left this house since morning and you didn't bother to check on us, right? Look at us, very filthy, and yet you didn't bother.
I heard you stole from a shop owner and they got caught. How did you manage to escape?
Sister Zerachi, you're so mean, you're so heartless. You heard and you couldn't even come to our rescue. You allowed me to face my fate. Why are you so mean?
I'm glad you said your faith. Was I the one that sent you to go and steal in the first place?
Sister Zerachi, why are you so mean? Steal. You know why all these things happened? I didn't steal, she misunderstood me. I asked you for money to buy food for Afamefuna. What did you do? You and I know you have this money in this house. Why are you so mean to us?
Of course I do. I have the money. But how do you expect me to spend my money on this cursed child? How? And for your information, I am the future queen of Ndiako Kingdom. You mind the way you talk to me, because the last thing I need is for people to be referring to me as a sister to a thief like you. If you try this again, you will regret the day you and I become sisters. Smelling thing, common thief. That's what you are. Get out! As if it's better thing. Thunder. Thunder na one walk go no eba. Ewu mugu. Come and suck my breast.
My baby, I'm coming. We are back home. And I'm coming. Let me drink. Stop! Give me my son! What is it? Sarachi, what is your problem? Sarachi, I promised you with my blood that I will take this secret to the grave. Why are you trying to harm him? Why are you doing everything to harm him? I will not spill. Take it from me. No matter what happens, this remains our secret. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get out of my house! Get out of my house! Where will we go to? When the witch is infected with a plague, the whole arm is cut off to avoid the spread. I will lose everything if you try to spill. If you try to dig out the ugly part that we both buried years ago. So please get out. Out!
Why are you so mean and heartless? Why? You're my own sister, Zerachi. You're not supposed to be treating me like this. Is it because I don't want to say a word? If I spill, If I mistakenly spill, you will be the one losing everything. Stop all this. You're beginning to frustrate me too much. What have I done wrong to you?
I don't blame you. Take this out of my house. Take this out of my house. Stop.
Do not mommy me. Your very existence waters the seeds of my pain. Don't come close to me. Don't. Shut up.
What did I do now? Mommy, what did I do?
I said don't come close to me.
This affected arm must be cut off before it causes an epidemic. I must get rid of her. I must. And I'll do that very fast. Nonsense. It's obvious to me that you enjoy doing laundry in your dreamland and you forgot to take your soap water with you. Hence, I decided to drench you with it.
Sister, why? Why, sister? Why are you always treating me like this? When am I ever going to get rest in this house? I am your sister. Why are you always being mean to me? I was washing. I got tired. I didn't even know when I slept off.
You will get rest, an ample one at that, when you are 6 feet below the ground. And believe me, that day is closer than you think. Let me go and come back and still get you here washing this clothes. And I will deal with you even more. Idiot.
I'm sorry. I heard everything.
I'm just like a candle in the wind. And you are the wind. And you will not stop till you blow me off completely. Why do you want to shatter every bit of my life? Why? You're destroying me. You're killing me.
Please. I don't understand. I'm your son and you're my mother.
Shut up. Just shut up. Now leave. Get out.
Oh my God.
Don't say a word. God, what have I done? Well, he's innocent. He's innocent. He's just a child. I'm just frustrated. Why is my sister doing this to me?
You did what?
I despise your aunt.
Your own father? You did this to me, Nefechi? Huh? Come and talk about it. Come and talk about it. Nefechi, stop there.
Okay. So you guys started eating without daddy?
It's not like that, honey. You know the kids just came back from school and they are famished. But you're busy upstairs freshening up.
Well, that's weird because none of them have taken a spoon from their food.
That's true. Sweetheart, why are you not eating? Don't you like it? But it's your favorite. Rice and chicken.
We are not hungry.
I don't understand. But you just returned from school. Or is there something I'm missing here?
Mom, the truth is that we're not happy at all.
Okay, so what is the problem?
Mom, Dad, we want to change our school.
Yes, yes, we do.
Okay, so what is wrong with your current school?
Nothing, but we are unhappy with our school. Yes, we prefer South End Government School. We are unhappy with our other school. I don't like it.
Yes.
Please, Daddy, accept our wish.
Okay, so if I get you correctly, you want to leave your current prestigious private school to a government school without no moral value.
Yes, Daddy.
Yes, Daddy.
That's what we want.
Yes, we like it like that.
Yes, it's okay.
Yes.
Please keep quiet. Shh. What made you think you can even come up with something as insane as this?
Mommy, we don't like our school anymore. We want to go to government school.
Yes, Mommy.
Now listen to me. Let this be the very first and the last time that you guys will come up with such an unreasonable demand. You should be happy that your parents can afford to send you to a private school. Those in that unruly government school will be happy to have the kind of luxurious life that you are enjoying.
You know what, Dad?
Eat your food.
I've lost my appetite.
Me too. Me, I'm very hungry. Wait for me!
What's the meaning of this? I've lost my appetite. Oh.
Stop there!
Oh, Dad, why are you chasing me around?
Nefechi, look at what you did to your father. Your own father, Nefechi.
I told you that I don't like pap. That I like Tom the German and Beto Onubosu. You want to go and prepare me this? At least, if you won't go by 3:30, you could have been gone before 7 o'clock that I used to go to school. You want to go and prepare this thing. Even today's pap is just today's rum that I prepared for me. That's why I splashed it on your face.
That was why you plastered it on my face. Nefechi, repeat after me. You are a fool.
You're a fool.
You are a fool.
You're a fool.
You are a fool.
I say you're a fool.
This boy, don't you know that I'm doing you a great favor? That pap you condemned contains vitamin K. I and D, that's meaning kid. That's children. It is food for children and it also helps the brain.
That's why I splash it on your face. So I can have a taste and have the brain not to be sleeping on your teeth.
Oh. Oma mrunwa. Oma mrunwa. Nefechi. Ngwara chaka.
Mom.
Nataka!
No.
Nataka! Nataka! Never do Nataka! Never
my prince, this is the 11th market days when the unfortunate incident that took the life of our Igwe and Lolo, your parents. We know you are hurt, and we also believe you are still mourning.
That's right.
But we are here to let you know that this throne has been vacant for a very long time. And we need to do something.
Always Yoku.
We need to do something. So that is why we are here.
I appreciate your coming. The truth is, I am not ready to ascend the throne.
Meaning?
I am not psychologically fit to sit on this throne. Anything that compels me to sit on this throne is going to make me become the worst kind of king in the history of Ndiako Kingdom.
That is why we, the elders, are here to guide you. You don't have to be afraid.
My prince, let me give you one instance that propels us to fight for this throne to be occupied immediately. When your father was alive, he had a business deal with some white men who wanted to explore gold on land. In fact, they wanted to build a gold factory. That land beside the river, you know the land I'm talking about. That place where gold has eventually been discovered. Now, it requires the signature of the Igwe to ratify that agreement. Unfortunately, your father could not sign the deal before he died.
I am aware of this issue. I know.
But those things are there. What are you talking about?
Plus, you need to get a wife. Because the day of coronation is also the day of your traditional wedding, my prince.
I am pleased to announce to you all that I have a bride.
That's good.
But like I rightly said in the beginning, that I am not psychologically fit to ascend the throne. When I am ready to sit on the throne of Ndiako Kingdom, I'll call you all and let you know.
My prince, remember also that the sun that hardened the clay also melts the wax. At the same time, the time that can heal your wounds can also destroy our kingdom if we don't act fast. Ndiche, I will be on my way. Oh God, the radio.
Hello. When you are ready, let us know. When you are ready.
What's the meaning of that you displayed downstairs? What did I do?
You asked me what you did.
I thought we all agreed that we're not going to eat the food Mom served. So that we'll get angry at them, so they will have pity on us.
I don't remember us having that kind of discussion.
Are you serious?
Because I don't remember the time that we discussed anything about walking out from the dining table, pretending that we're not hungry.
Are you serious?
That's it. Thank God it's here. When we don't eat the food, Mom and Dad will know that the last thing in our mind is food. And then they'll change our school.
Yes, of course. That was the plan.
What's the plan? You forgot?
You guys are joking. Because me, anytime I usually come back from school, I'm always very hungry. And you expect me to pretend I'm not hungry.
Yes. Well, I think what we did downstairs didn't move Mom and Dad.
So we are supposed to do something better so don't know we really mean it.
Yes, exactly. Do you have any idea?
Yes, I got one. You know the ornaments downstairs, they are very precious to Dad and Mom. They love those expensive things, so why don't we go there and smash?
Yes.
That's a good plan.
Yes. Count me out.
Wait!
Why? Because those items are very precious to Mom and Dad, and you expect us to go and destroy it. Not even by mistake, intentionally. Do you have any other idea? No, but count me out.
No, you're not out.
You're in. So, when do we strike?
Maybe.
Oh, my friends. You're welcome. Your face is not bright. What happened? How did the meeting with the elders go?
You know the usual problem with the elders of the village. I mean, when are you getting married? When are you ascending the throne?
My love, I want to ask you something.
Okay, I'm listening. Go ahead and ask.
Do you love me enough to make me your queen?
Why do you ask?
Because everything is suddenly appearing to me like you intend to do otherwise. I need to know, why are we not married yet? After all these years of dating, why?
You know, as at the time when I was ready to settle down was the exact season I lost my both parents in motor accidents. It hasn't been easy with me because I've been trying to recuperate from that event.
My love, are you trying to say that you have not recuperated even after being staying with you?
Well, losing a parent is not easy. Talk more of losing two at the same time, same events, same incidents, same season. It's been torturing for me. Okay. Like, I've been fighting this thing.
Greetings, my friends. You're welcome, my friends.
Hey, greetings. I think I've cautioned you a few times from calling me Prince. Call me by my name, Chimmeremeze. That's my name.
My prince, that would be disrespectful.
But of course I'm okay with that. I mean, I don't have a problem with that. Trust me. That's my name. It's okay. Where's that from?
Afam! Let me go.
Hey. Oh, I was just asking after you.
Yeah.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. I was in the kitchen washing clothes.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So what do we have here? You made pepper soup or something?
No, jollof.
Jollof?
Yes.
Okay. Just to see if you know that I'm hungry. So famished.
My prince? What's this?
This is not how I served this meal. How did water get into the jollof rice I prepared?
Will you shut that stupid mouth of yours? Who are you asking that stupid question? Who? So water from the water drum developed wings and dive into the food that you prepared.
It's okay. All I know makes good food. So if this happened, then that means There should be a mix-up somewhere. It's alright. Alright?
Uncle, I assisted my mother in the kitchen to prepare this food. And I can vouch for her that this is not the food that she dished out.
Will you shut down your silly mouth, little twat? Who invited you to this adult discussion? Who? She does. That is exactly who she is. She is my sister, and I know her better than any other person. I used to cover up for her, but not anymore. You know, she pulled these fronts simply because she's the only one preparing food in this house, and I guess she is tired of it.
Sister, how could you? How can I pour water inside this food I stressed myself to make? Why would I do a thing like that? You hurt me so much, sister. You're my sister. You of all people should know that this is not one of the things I'm capable of doing.
My dear, it is. It is, eh?
Ola, it's okay. Stop crying, alright? Just wipe your tears. I mean, please come and get rid of this, okay? It's fine. I'm okay. Come and get rid of this. Go ahead and tell it.
Just drink that one.
No, just go with that. Bit of water, it's fine.
Why are you really supporting this girl? Why? You should be scolding her by now. See the way she just wasted food in this house.
How do you expect me to be scolding her when you are the one who is automatically failing in your duties?
Yeah.
As a woman, if you were busy making food for me, such mistakes will not be happening. Ola as a human being, sometimes she could get tired of the things she does in the kitchen. And you're the other one who ought to be helping her in the house who's not doing anything. I'll be in the bedroom, please.
My prince. Olanna, so your aim is to cause problem between me and my husband to be,
Sister, God forbid I cause problem between you and your husband to be. Why would I do something like that?
So what was your intention? Tell me, what was your intention? To poison him? To poison the same prince that owns this house and feed you and this your miserable son?
Auntie, I know that my mother didn't make that food. She served the food that she cooked. So someone tampered with it.
You shut that miserable mouth of yours before I cause your cursed tongue to clench the palate of your mouth.
Sister, deep down your heart, you know I did not serve you guys watery jollof. Someone deliberately poured water inside that plate.
Who did? It's only 4 of us in this house. Tell me, who did? Listen, I can take anything from you. But you see, wasting food in this house is the least of the thing I can ever take from you. If you try it again, you'll be securing your sleeping position under the bridge because I will throw you and this thing out of this house. Mark my words.
Don't mind her. I know you do not do it. Everything will be fine.
Mother for Ghana.
No man can take it away. No matter what man wanna do.
Hi, baby. How are you?
Fine.
So, how was your day?
Fine.
Baby, you don't look happy. What is it?
How do you expect me to be happy when my children have been in their rooms for days grounded? When do you intend to let them out?
Well, I intend to keep them there until they start to appreciate the fact that they are privileged to have a good life.
Baby, they have not eaten since morning. All the food I took to them were rejected. Please, I'm pleading. It is time you let them out. I believe by now they must have learned their lessons. Please.
I just came in. All I want is to freshen up, eat, and rest. I am not cut out for this conversation.
But my love, they are starving up there. Please.
Do not let me vent negative energy upon you.
But, baby, you cannot just... Please.
Sophie. Check very well. It's Mom. It's Mom. I have good news. Please.
Okay, what's good news?
The good news is that they are not yet back.
Oh, thank God. So, what's the plan? That's simple. Yes, we need to destroy expensive things. Yes, and we need to do it at the entrance. So that's the first thing Mommy will sight.
What?
Then they'll know that we are really angry.
What if Mom punishes us? What if she even finds out that it was us? Then we'll deny it so we won't get punished or flogged.
Correct.
Besides, if they decide to punish us, at least it won't be like one person's punishment. Is you I'm talking to?
Yes.
Shut up.
My mouth. Now, this is the idea. Let's carry it and break it at the same time so it will be fair. Let's do it.
How would you do it? Let me take this as the entrance.
Come and arrange it. You know we are really angry.
Don't you dare! You made this mess, didn't you? Go down on your knees and put your hands in the air.
Mom, I didn't. I didn't do this.
Alicia, you know how much your father detests seeing this house in a mess. You know how much your father loves this. You know how much your father values everything in this house.
It wasn't me, it was Chloe.
And you had not just the temerity to play in this living room, but to also litter everything in this room.
It wasn't me,
Shut up! Hands in the air, I said. Alicia, after all the warnings from your father and myself, you decided to lock your ears with big padlock.
It wasn't me.
Father will so deal with you. He will deal with you mercilessly.
Mommy! Mommy! Sorry. What happened? When mom punished me, Dad came and severely flogged me.
I understand, okay? Don't worry. I know how it hurts. But all I want you to do for me now is not to cry, okay? Sorry, clean your tears.
I'm not just crying because Mom and Dad flogged me. I'm crying because when I needed the both of you most, you weren't there.
Okay.
I'm sorry about what happened, but assuming we interfered, Mom and Dad would have said we got involved.
Yes. At least you're not the one that encouraged you to go back to the sitting room when Mommy came back.
I went to take my teddy bear. I couldn't bear leaving her there. All alone.
I understand.
Sorry, Timo. Stop crying.
Sorry, okay? Okay. Can you smile for us?
So smile. Smile.
Come back here! Come back here! Oh, not again now, come here! Come back here!
Don't take me out. I'm tired already.
Neverji, come here! Yeba! Let me tell you, I will chase you. I will chase you, catch you and flog stealing out of you. Come here!
Leave me.
Neverji, how can you eat the whole pomo that you're supposed to sell in this house?
How can I not eat and you want to sell? You don't cook in this house and you want to feed people outside. But maternity begins at home. Please, allow me to rest. Can this small pomo in my belly digest?
Huh? Small pomo? How can you call pomo of 4,680 small pomo?
It's not 4,680, it's 4,640.
4,640? Get it, DJ.
40 naira.
Get it, DJ.
40 naira, DJ.
No. What is it? Neverji.
watching us. God is watching us. Why are you so mean to me, my sister? Why this hatred?
My knee! My knee!
What happened to you? Olana! Oh my princess. I'm so sorry.
Sorry. Sister, you called me.
Don't you ever call me that name, because I can never be a sister to an offspring of devil. Rubbish.
I'm sorry, my friends. I just mopped the place now. Maybe that's why it's slippery.
Shut that lying tongue of yours. Before the gods shut it for you permanently. You intentionally spilled water, knowing fully well that the prince will come back and he will pass through here. So when he passes, he will fall and hit his head on the floor and die. But your plans have failed. My prince, so sorry. Udo, wicked witch. Sorry. My prince, the renowned prince of Ndako Kingdom, you have to make her pay for trying to kill you, for making an attempt on the life of prince of Ndako Kingdom. Say that word and it shall be so. You have to punish her at once.
Sister, no. I can't make an attempt on the life of our prince. What would be my gain? Prince, please, it was a mistake. I mopped the place. Please, I cannot deliberately want to hurt you or my sister. Sister, please. Please. My prince, please. I swear to God, I just mopped the place. Please, I'm sorry.
Stand up.
What?
It's all your fault and not that of Olana. Because if you happen to mop this place yourself, it would have dried up before I came in here.
My prince, you expect me, the future queen of Ndako Kingdom, to do house chores when this commoner, this non-entity, Olana, is living in this house with her son?
The most important thing here is for you to call the family doctor to come and take care of me and not looking for who to blame.
Of course, I will call.
Olana, please, can you help me up?
Don't worry. I will help you.
Have you called the family doctor already?
I will call him later. Let me take it to your room first. Before this Jezebel finish what she just did.
Please help me, just get me.
Sorry. Will you get out? Sorry.
I heard everything that happened. I was eavesdropping. It hurts me to see tears flowing down your eyes every day as a result of the hurtful things that Auntie Zerachi does to you. But I can't do anything. Because if I interfere, she may say hurtful words to me.
Please, don't interfere. You're still a baby. I don't know why my sister hates me so much. I swear to God I didn't do it.
Mom, I know you didn't do it.
I just mopped everywhere.
I know you didn't do it. Eh?
God. What?
Strange.
What is it?
That is the only portion that is not dried up.
What have I done? What have I done to my own sister? Why is she treating me like this? God, why is she treating me like this? Why will she pour oil? I just mop this place now.
Sorry.
You know what? We have to go. Let me quickly get mom before she goes and start beating me again. Come get.
Hey, Papa, this is the kind of food we are supposed to be eating now. You know, if I go to the market and sleep and won't finish, I'll stay hungry. What am I doing? You know, better I stay at home doing nothing and be hungry.
Happy Christmas.
But I just want to go boy.
Can't go home.
We want to go boy.
Because this is how you're supposed to be enjoying. In fact, this is your Christmas. Start celebrating your Christmas. As a matter of fact, you see this soup, eh? We are going to continue eating this food for the next 1 week and 3 days.
Papa, you are shocking me.
Yes, because 500 naira meat is now 6 pieces, not 10 pieces again. And red oil is no longer red as it used to be before. They have reduced everything it is because of how expensive things is in this our country. It is not only red. It is not only oil. The red oil in it has disappeared. Even pepper is no longer hot in the mouth. They have reduced the hotness of it because things is now very, very expensive.
Papa.
So we are about to start managing our lives the way we see it too.
So what you are trying to say that we eat this soup 1 week? Why did you even say that? All the women in the market have closed their shop and go to their house and sweep their house because they have already cut the market because it's too expensive.
Nefeji.
Sir?
What happened to the meat in this soup?
Meat? They have already cut it now because the meat in this soup is expensive too.
Why did you eat all the meat in this soup?
Nefeji.
Teacher. You're welcome. Please have a seat.
I'm not here for pleasantries. I'm here to report Nefeji to you.
Nefeji.
Yes, sir.
What has he done again?
Imagine this little brat.
Hey! Come on, don't go with little brat. I'm not a brat.
Will you shut your mouth before I shut it for you? Shut it up! Let me continue.
He had the effrontery to throw his disgusting S-street on me yesterday. On my way coming back from school.
I'm not trying anything on you. I'm not trying. I don't mean I threw my poo on you. You know for sure will come back.
Imagine.
Teacher, please, don't be angry. Eh? How does the excreta smells like? Let me be sure it's my son's fault. Does it smell like 3 months rotten egg? Or ofe baroka, that's spoiled soup? Or like my armpit, that is your careful boss, yes. Smell it. You like the smell, no?
Like father, like son.
I intentionally did not want him in school because I wanted to be aware of what he did. So that by the time I pounced on him, you will not say I did not warn you. Nefechi, next time you try this nonsense with me, you will not have me alone to contend with. But the whole school, the whole school as one body will deal with you, Nefechi.
I got shift. Even you and the whole school in one body will collect.
Nefechi.
You will collect in my hand.
Nefechi, do not say I did not warn you. Do not say I did not warn you, Nefechi. When I want to go because you're in your father's house, Abi. Nefechi, I warn him, oh. Why your useless son, oh?
No sense.
Useless, I will deal with you in school.
Make a weird.
I will deal with you.
Nefechi, what your teacher said right now, is it true?
I beg, it's not true. Allow me to eat.
Because I know what you can do. Eh? How can you pour your excreta on your teacher's face? Ima kukasiki CSC. Mo abon na net wudia. Obuko onyo so.
Papa, allow me now.
I should allow you.
Because I don't care for that for Kamado.
I should allow you. Okay. I will allow you. Huh? Nefechi.
It was not one that thing.
Nefechi, come on.
Pushing that thing.
He just had a minor dislocation of the knee, but I've given him some painkiller injection and sedatives to make him sleep and rest well.
Okay, will he be alright?
Yeah, he will be fine. Just he should have enough rest and take the medications I've prescribed.
I'll take care of those ones.
Thank
you. Thank you so much.
What are you doing? I saw the doctor when he left, so I decided to come and check on my uncle.
Or rather, you have come to check if he's dead, so you can go and tell your wicked mother, so both of you can marry, isn't it? Sorry to disappoint you, boy. He is still alive.
Auntie, there's something in my mind that's been living rent-free all these years. Why do you hate me and my mother, your sister, so much? Huh? Despite all the care and love we give you, what did we do to you? What did we do to you?
Your very existence is at the verge of being my downfall. And for me not to fall, I must make sure I seize you from existing.
I don't understand any of the thing you just said.
Now you listen to me, you little twat. If I ever see your cursed self around the prince again, that day will be the day air will cease from your lungs completely. Now get lost. Get out! Don't let me come down, the idiot. Fool.
Okay, this is my urine. What are we doing? Ew! What? Urine! Yes. Of course. Ew! What are we doing with urine?
The plan is that we put the urine inside the generator fuel tank. Yes.
I don't understand. Is our urine some kind of biochemical gas that can be used instead of fuel? Or is this some kind of experiment?
We have talked about this. Okay, we are using our urine as a ploy to get back at mom and dad. So we are going to pour it inside. Okay?
Your urine?
Yes, my urine. We are going to pour it inside. So that when mom and dad try to on the generator, it will on.
So, we are going to stay in the dark at night.
Of course! Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes, we will. So that mom and dad will use a lot of money to repair the gen. Besides, we are doing all this for the love of our future school. Or don't you want to go to government school?
Yes, don't you?
I do, but... No buts.
Now take.
You first. Yes, you. It's you first. Do it. Shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. Shut up. Don't. I won't do it. You don't do it, we'll not go to government school. Yes. So, do it. So why you with me? Because you're the oldest. So, you have to. Do it. Do it, dummy. Don't command me and don't come that stupid name again. Are you mad? Who is mad? Do it. I'm not smiling. Do it. Do it. No. It's your brother urine. You drink it. Your tongue. It's your urine. Shh.
Sir.
Okay.
What is wrong with the generator?
Okay, no. The generator no green start again. No.
How? Have you turned in the fuel that I gave you money to buy?
Okay, I don't turn am. I don't turn all put inside. I come even put oil. No green start.
What could be the problem? We just recently serviced this generator like 5 days ago or so.
It be like say person wey service am no service am well.
Okay, call the engineer to come have it checked out first thing in the morning, okay?
Okay. No vex, eh? I don't get recharge card for phone. See, anytime you put recharge card for my phone, you no go even reach how many minutes. You go just do PM. I go check account balance. I go see 00. I don't know wetin dey comot recharge card for my phone.
It seems you now have a girlfriend that you call with all the airtime that I sent to you.
I'm a virgin, no?
You're a virgin?
Yes, okay.
I will send you something later.
Oh, guys, when plenty recharge card, you got the OMTN, no?
Wait, now why are you rushing it?
What is going on here? How dare you collect my drink from the fridge to give to this useless son of yours? How dare you?
Sister.
Hey, don't sister me!
This is just a bottle of Coke.
And
we're
so
sharing it.
Jesus! Useless thing.
What is it? I have had enough of your bullying in this house. To the extent you have to hurt someone you claim to love just because you want to frustrate me out of this house. But I will never leave. There's nothing you will do that will get under my skin. You will never frustrate me out of this house. I'm talking to you. Don't you dare! Don't you dare! Now listen. As for your secret, it is a cross I will have to bear till my last breath. I'll keep it. That's what sisters do for each other. Unlike you, who is willing to do everything to frustrate your own sister. Mom. Are you proud of yourself? Look at what you've done. Are you proud of yourself? Wicked soul. Who is the secret? Come, let's go. Take your coat.
Don't let the tears of the innocent rain down in vain.
Mama, Father, where go? Yeah, Mama. Mama, where? Mama, where? You want to buy Mama? Okay. Yeah, give her toothpick.
How much are you selling?
100 naira.
Not 50 naira.
No, but if I
it's too small.
If I go take a naira.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh.
Papa.
Yo, mama.
Bye, mama.
Yo, sweet mama.
Hey, mama, come.
If I'm there, what the key with pride?
You don't talk to your customer like that. My brother, Biko, you give him toothpick.
How much is the mama?
15 naira.
15 naira. Give me toothpick now.
I will later. See the new pride. They will. Hey, back your door. Otof. Oyoshi.
Ina poala. Eh?
Oh, I need poala. Oyoshi.
God bless you, eh?
No problem. You.
Bye. Bye, yo, mama. Mama,
mama, Morani. Morani.
My leg, I just applied my cream. Oh, and he started hurting me. I've been using this cream.
Me?
Oh, now almost sick. Jesus. Jesus.
No,
Jesus. Jesus. Oh, God.
You know what? Let's go to the hospital.
God. Jesus. He's hurting me. Thank you so much, my prince. I don't know how to appreciate you. May God bless you. Thank you for saving my life today. What would I have done without you? Thank you.
Well, you should be thanking God at least. Come here, Afamefula. You should be thanking God. At least it's from the harsh reaction from the cream you're using. You also heard what the doctor said, that you should discontinue using the cream.
I heard, the thing this is the cream I've been using. As a matter of fact, it's almost finished itself. Eh?
It's okay. I'll have to be in my room.
Thank you so much. I'm just confused.
Let me dispose the cream.
I'm just confused. This is the cream that I've been using since now. When I walk was that it's almost finished. Don't apply. See, when your hands start hurting you now, I come and dog you. Why? What are you doing? What? Pepper. Wait. Pepper. Jesus. How did Pepper get into this bottle?
We both know who is responsible.
Why?
I'm gonna dispose it.
Why? My own sister. What have I done to Sarachi?
Thank you. Let me tell you, for you to have entertained two of us, I promise to give you 4 pomo. Huh? 4 pomo, only you eat and enjoy. You know I'm pomo specialist.
But this is the one I understand. Yes, I understand this pomo one. How will you give him 4 pomo? Macarona order. Give him 2 pomo, I beg. Even in that one, I will call half. This small thing, this simple thing.
Will you shut your mouth before I shut it for you? What are you calling this morning?
You know how many years I've been doing this thing?
How many years in whose house? No, no. Shut up there.
Even before your wife gave birth to me,
Oh.
I've been doing this thing.
For a small boy like this to be doing this, he deserves the whole award in this world.
But you're not proud of me. I told you that I can do this thing. This is do my own for me.
Oh.
I can do this thing. Small
You can
thing.
do this thing.
Eh.
Small thing.
Eh.
Now, Nyakobu. And if you don't see, if you saw the way I was doing, hey, because the flute was catching me. If you blow this in and you did not bring out the in me, you know what I can do to you. You know, right? You know, come now, Jaga. I have blow. Let me see you.
Wait,
As you come down.
it's like this.
Hey. Oh, now you guys say it's like this. I make sure you bring out the in me. I'm waiting. Hey. Hey. You never take question on the election. I'm not gonna know why next.
You know what I'm doing now?
Shut up! You are committing abomination. Abomination!
My sister surprised me. Oshika, very delicious. Sister, thank you so much.
Thank you.
The food was very delicious.
You enjoyed it, eh?
Very well.
It's nice. Very nice. You finished everything. Good. Because I poisoned you.
She's joking.
You remember you said over your dead body, will you leave this house? So as a good sister that I am, I decided to grant your wish.
Wait. Hold on. Sister. You mean you, my own sister, poisoned the food you gave us to eat?
Yes, exactly. Why? Because you know too much. And one of these days you're going to spill. And when that happens, every of my existence will crumble. And I don't want such to happen. You understand? I can't allow such to happen. Do you understand now?
How could you be so heartless? What have I done to you? What have I done to you, sister? Why are you doing this to me? Your own sister. I have done everything for you, but you desperately want to see my end. I can't believe this.
You don't have to cry, just calm down. The poison, I need you to understand this. The poison is going to start from your internal organs to destroy everything until there is nothing left again. So don't cry, just relax so the poison can work very well.
Mom, so we are going to die?
Mom. See you in hell. Excuse.
Mom, so we are going to die? Mom, are we going to die?
Just poison the food that we eat. I don't know. What have I done to my own sister? What have I done? What have I done to my sister? I have shown her love. I have done everything for her. Why does she want? Now listen, I am sorry for everything I did not tell you. I am sorry for the...
What secret?
What secret are you hiding from me?
I'm sorry. I can't spill. Yes. If I'm dying, I would rather die with the secret. That would be my happiness in the life after death. God, Jesus, do not forsake me. Do not abandon me. Please, my hands are clean. My hands are clean. Jesus, do not forsake me. Papa, how are you?
I'm fine. Something in me just told me to call you. Hope you and your sister are fine.
Papa, my life and fine.
That's good to know. How is your son?
From Ifna. He's fine.
Alright, take care of yourselves.
All right, Papa. We are alive. We are alive. Jesus. See, wait. How are you feeling?
Mom, nothing. I feel okay.
You feel all right? We didn't die. We are still here. I feel okay too. I'm confused. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Father, Lord, I worship you. I appreciate you for sparing our lives and giving us a second chance. You have shown us that in all affairs of man, it can only be God. You have shown us that you are with us. No man will be against us. Thank you for preserving our lives. No man will kill us. No woman will kill us. Thank you. Whoever that would dig a pit for us will fall and enter inside. Whoever that will kill me before my time will die prematurely. You will continue to protect us and shield us. Father, Lord, I appreciate. In fact, I don't know what to say. I don't know. It's just like a dream.
What is going on here? What is going on here? Impossible. This is impossible. You are supposed to be dead by now. Both of you.
Unfortunately, we are not dead and we are not dying anytime soon. You see that pit which you dug for me, which you heartlessly dug for your own sister, you'll be buried and be covered in it. Where you're standing is a sinking ground. The air will be against you. The sand will be against you. That is your portion. Heartless being. Let's go. Let's go.
Yay! What just happened? Is it that your tapia they gave me is fake? That person must be fake.
Papa. Papa, I want grill. And there's no food in this house.
Nefechi.
Sir?
We did not sell our pomo today. Where will the money for food come from? It's not you and I that were busy discussing with customer the whole of today. And you didn't even remind me that we're supposed to go and sell our pomo.
How is that my business? Are you not my father? So you are the head of this family. Your duty is to provide food for me, even if you don't have money. Oh, you know I made that is carrying AK-47 to rob bank.
Election nobody. Nefechi, you want your father to go and rob the bank?
Yeah, no.
Ah, okay, let me ask you. What if I go there and they arrest me and put me in jail? Who will take care of you?
Now that you're here, what are you doing?
Nefechi.
I beg, don't worry. I know what to do.
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
I am going to eat the remaining momo that is there because one can never be in this house and I'm dying of hunger.
Don't try it! Come back here! Don't try! Stop! Hey! Nefechi, open this door! Oh, you locked your father outside. The house that I built with my own money. Open this door! Open this door before I break this door!
Rain down in vain. Open the windows of heaven. Shower down blessings on men. You are the ruler of heaven. You are the owner of it. So you can do.
Go and wash my toilets.
Sister Will, please let me take my bath.
I'm not telling you as a sister. I'm ordering you as the future queen of Ndiako Kingdom to go wash my bathroom. I want to take my royal bath.
Alright, my sister. You will take your royal bath, but please, okay, let me just wear my clothes.
Now I say. Get going. Quick.
Never hurt nobody.
What is the meaning of this? What is going on? Who are you?
Sir, please don't be angry. Don't be angry. See, we usually do this thing in our bedroom. But today she suggested that we do it here in the master bedroom. She said it's going to be sweeter here. Yeah, please, don't take it to heart, please. Please, don't be angry.
This is a lie from the pit of hell. I don't know him. Sister, there's one strange boy here that I don't know him.
You are so evil. So evil. So you can swear your life. You can swear on your life for something so glaring. You just finished making love to one of your boyfriends and you decided to take your shower in Prince's bathroom. Abomination. Abominations. My prince. You have to do something about this. My prince, this is the height of insolence. Yes, not just to royalty, but to the dignity of all the women of Ndiako Kingdom. She must be beheaded.
My prince, is not true.
My prince, she must be beheaded.
My prince, it's not true. I don't even know this boy.
Shut up! You are a huge disappointment to this household.
Yes.
I trusted you, Olanna. I defended you at all time, Olanna. I defended you against your sister, my wife-to-be, thinking that she's always wrong. I thought you were better than I know you. No wonder they said that a bad seed springs disappointment on the day of harvest, but not in my house. Alana, listen. You are leaving my house this minute with every of your belongings, including that of your son.
Bam!
Get
It's not true.
out of my house!
Sister, you want Sister,
no wonder they say a bad seed.
Sister, please. I don't know him, I swear, sister.
My prince. Calm down, It's settled now, It's settled, everything's settled, It's okay. Let me go and finish this thing, I'm coming back. Just wait for me, I will be back,
I'm not having to wait to go
Sister, please. You know I'm innocent. I did not do anything.
Take your curses out of my house. Now!
Please, now we don't have anywhere to go.
Who cares?
We'll be stranded.
Where do you want us to go? Why are you treating us like this, husband? Every small thing you throw our things outside. Every small thing you throw our things outside. You know if we leave here now, we'll be stranded. What do you want us to do?
That will be a more subtle fate compared to what will befall me if you both want to stay in this house.
Just stay nothing.
Don't beg her.
Don't worry. They will soon explain to me how you managed to come to my life. How did you manage? Where did you go? This can't be possible. This can't be possible. I personally boiled all the pomo and sauced it properly. Then put them in this container. How come this container is empty? Washed and clean. Who cleaned it? Who washed it for me? Hey! Nefeti did this. But I will make sure that he vomits all the pomo and sauce. He will vomit everything. I will go to his school, bundle him out, and deal with him. I will deal with this boy. I will deal with this boy. Hey, go.
My father cook me so. It was just a tablet. I reach school. I'll sit up.
Nefechi. Nefechi! What are you doing here? Aren't you going to school today?
Teacher, leave me alone now. Leave me. This is your money that is wasting. This is not my father's money. I don't pay my school fees. Allow me to rest.
Will you shut up your mouth? Do I look like your mate?
I'm not going to myself.
Do I look like your mate? See, I am your teacher if I need to remind you. Yes, I'm your teacher.
That's why you say you are my teacher, not my mommy. So allow me to rest because I don't pay my school fees.
I don't blame you. I don't blame you, Nefechi. It's because you are outside the school walls. That's why you are running your mouth like parrots. You have the guts to talk back at me. Eh? You have the guts to talk back at me, or where? No problem. We will see in school.
You are very stupid. We will see. Don't disturb my beautiful sleep. Come on, I go to school now.
If he cross her lane, you call it water. It shock you. Na condition make her a fish you bend. No blame.
I don't know where to carry go. Go where I don't know. I wanna help you. Muna help me. Asa, Muna help you.
I cannot know. I cannot know.
Muna help me. Come here.
We know if we would have told you the plan, you wouldn't have come, so we brought you here to see things by yourself.
See what? We want to vandalize the electrical connection of the lights because of what Dad and Mom did the last time. We want to get back at them.
If they catch us, they will flog and punish us, even more than before.
Then they'll continue to flog us until they get tired.
Ethan, not everybody can withstand punishment and flogging like you. Besides, electricity is the most dangerous thing in the world, and I'm scared of it. Do you want to go to government school or not?
Yes, answer the question.
Yes. But no, but enough. Now, will you do it? Fine. So what are we going to use and destroy the electricity?
I came prepared. So you go first, Alice.
Why me?
Because you're the oldest and the tallest. Yeah, so your hand can reach it and just connect it. So take it.
If that catches us.
Shut up. Don't tell me to shut up.
Go! You do it!
Do it!
Oh!
My daughter! How are you? Hold my daughter. You're not looking fine. What's going on? How's your sister, Sarah, who has forgotten that she has an old father in the village?
Her and the prince are fine.
My daughter. Please come, please. Sorry. Come. See, you don't look fine to me. But just calm down. You are home now. This is your father's house. You are very safe. Please, come here. Sorry. You are safe now. Sorry.
My own sister.
I'm sorry. It's okay. Just come in. You shower and eat. You're in your father's house now. You're safe. Go in, please. The guy is afraid that if you do the same business with him, you will take all his customers. Forget about him.
So what do I do?
Yes. Oh, old age. I've forgotten that I have a palm tree on my farmland. The best palm tree in this community. You know what you need to do? You need to hire someone who will climb the tree and tap the palm wine fresh for you.
Papa, I equally forgot. What do I need anyone for? I am the man you never had. I can do it all. Through Christ that strengthens me, I will tap the wine myself, Papa.
My daughter.
My love, I have observed that you've been unhappy since Olana and her son left this house.
You see, I don't know why I went so hard on her. Something in me tells me I shouldn't have sent her out of the house.
My prince, you don't have to beat up yourself. You are a good man. She should be happy that you didn't order for her head to be chopped off, considering the level of atrocity that she committed in this house.
You see, I've been asking myself, why would she go to such extent of disrespecting me?
Oh.
Why would she bring a man into my own house, slept with that same man on my own bed? I mean, that was the height of it.
Exactly, my love. Exactly. That is what she does. She used to bring in different men to sleep with them in this house. I warned her though, but she continued. thank God you are here to witness this one, so you look as if I'm cooking up stories. Eh? Baby, you should be happy that they are out of this house and out of our lives for good.